are going to be unboxing our Sephora Press Day bag, and every year this is like the biggest makeup event that we really look forward to going. These are the things that are new at Sephora or like upcoming in Sephora. Let's unbox it together!
This one is a scalp treatment, shampoo, botanist. Apple and lime flavor.
Citrus and musk. This one smells a little bit like you smell first, then I say. What?
Okay, it's not unpleasant, but I tell you, it does smell like something, but I don't know what.
Mama Lemon.
Oh.
This is the botanical hair mask. This is the shampoo and conditioner.
Never tried this before.
Coconut milk anti-frizz shampoo. I'm guessing it smells like coconut. Coconut.
It does smell like coconut.
It's by Percy and Reed. It's a Starlight Glitter Glow. To add glimmer gold luster to hair, that's what it says. So I think it's supposed to look more voluminous.
Cannot really see the glitter.
Yeah, it's supposed to give you that shine.
So is this like more voluminous now?
It is actually. Feels like a dry shampoo.
It's a very subtle one. This is also smooth frizz fixer.
This brand is called Acquise Prime. I'm sure I'm pronouncing it wrongly actually. So this one is step 1. They label it like super big for you. It's called water defense pre-wash.
Huh?
When like you actually spray it on your hair before you wash your hair. And I tried it already because I had damn a lot of hairspray in my hair, right? So I sprayed this first. And you know with hairspray it's damn hard to wash your hair because you feel like you're tugging on it and a lot of breakage. So this one helps to soften it first before you wash it.
Just a piece of advice to everyone out there with like hair that always breaks. Don't ever comb your hair when it's wet.
Yeah.
For some reason, people seem to love doing that. Even semi-wet also don't comb. It's just like bihun lah. Bihun is quite strong, but if you wet it, it will become lamba, right? So when you wet bihun, it's like 很容易断 ma. So don't go and comb your hair.
Do you know what is this?
What? Oh,
it's a hair turban.
Okay.
Yeah, oh my god, put it on yourself. Yeah, and then there's actually a clasp at the back. I really like it because it dries my hair very fast.
Ultra absorbent material.
Yeah. Oh, we have this one from Briojo. It's the deep conditioning mask and leave-in conditioning spray for frizzy hair.
Galani is like a skincare brand actually.
I think so. I didn't know she actually does hair care.
Yeah,
so this is
quite
cool.
surprised
It's
also.
called Soothing Cleansing Cream for Sensitive Scalp. Okay, now it's time for skincare.
Have you tried already?
Haven't tried
you
this
confirm
one.
cannot use this one. It's super mega strong. I really like it because it's like acid peel.
Dr. Dennis Gross.
Yeah. Gross? I don't know. But his name very unfortunate lah, but I'm sure he's quite rich lah, so it's okay. So he's a dermatologist, and then it comes like that. Then the first step is to exfoliate with this piece of acid peel.
Okay.
Yeah. So the second step is to neutralize the acid.
So inside is cotton pad.
It's like a little like makeup remover wipe. But it's very strong. So I feel like after using it, right, my skin feels like quite acidic.
It's an acid, right? It's an acid.
The piece of paper like that it comes with is a bit rough, like a bit exfoliating lah. This one is extra strength, but they have the mild version.
Oh,
also.
really?
So I guess you can try that one.
So now from Estee Lauder, there's the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate, as well as the Synchronized Recovery Complex 2.
Intense Reset Concentrate, that sounds like it's damn good.
This one is definitely new.
That one?
This one is just the Recovery Complex.
I guess this one sounds like it's more intensive.
It's for anti-aging.
I need it.
It's the Peter Thomas Raw Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrating Toner Mist.
Hydrating.
Tatcha, the Satin Skin Mist. I love this!
Haven't tried it.
You will love it as well.
This is supposed to be for oilier skin.
Yes.
Then you can use meh?
I like it because it makes my makeup damn nice. You try.
What do you mean by damn nice?
Because it has like a little bit of a powder thing inside.
So more matte, is it?
Yeah, slightly matte.
Did it go to my face now?
Yes. No, it did not.
It has spread all over except for my face.
It's spray.
Oi! She legit just sprayed like this one patch, Excuse me! This is an assault! Hello? My entire eye area is completely wet now, and this is the only area.
No. Allies of Skin, do you know it's a Singaporean brand?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah!
So
And
cool.
it's damn good. So this one is their new product called Molecular Savior Probiotics Repair Mist. And they are really good with using acids. You will love it actually. It's very potent. These kind of skincare products are like, see the results the next morning, that kind.
Are you sure or not? It's like written in French.
I know. Yes, it's a Singaporean brand.
It's made in USA.
What do you mean Singaporean? I mean,
yet? Say.
Drunk Elephant. This is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Apparently they reformulated it, so it now has ceramides inside.
Okay, here we have Pixie Retinol Jasmine Cleanser. Pixie stuff is always very, very pretty and they're quite affordable lah, the brand, so it's nice. Now they have this new range that's all the Jasmine products.
What's your favorite?
Pixie, Glow Tonic lah.
For me, right, I love their glow-in oil mist. It's actually very, very hydrating.
If I use that, I will freaking look like Ham Jin Bang. You then Ham Jin Bang, you then Ham Jin Bang. So Star Skin, this one is for your feet actually. Oh my
this
god,
is
the softening luxury foil mask socks. I love the peeling one. It's damn disgusting, but it's like so
I never
awesome.
tried before.
Really, your whole feet, the skin will all just freaking come out. It's damn gross. This is their instantly recovering luxury cream coating face mask. It was like 18 grams of cream in total that they put into it. For those like when your skin is really SOS, like in like very dry countries.
This is Dr. Jart Sikap Hair Calming Gel Cream. If you have sensitive skin, you'll probably be very familiar with the Sikap Hair range from Dr. Jart. This is the new gel textured one.
Biosense
Squalane Omega
plus.
Repair Cream.
I got 2 of it.
There's one more. This is the Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil. Oh, there's also a eye gel.
没有味道 at all. Huh? How is it that there's no smell?
Oh my gosh, there's absolutely no smell.
What the hell? That is so weird.
Fragrance free.
No wonder got, but usually fragrances still have some smells and no smell at all.
For all skin type, especially sensitive skin.
Oh my god, the hashtag should be like Squatling Squat.
Reno Perfect Radiant Serum, and this is the accompanying cream.
This one's dark spot correcting.
Oh, it's a night cream.
Yeah, so that's pretty good like for people's scars and everything. It's a peel also. Sunday Riley.
Yep.
I think this is not a new product. We've used it before. This one is a face oil. It's the CEO Glow Vitamin C plus turmeric face oil.
This is the Super Goop Zinc Sunscreen, 100% mineral lotion.
What does it mean by 100% mineral?
There's chemical sunscreen, there's physical sunscreen, there's mineral sunscreen.
What? I didn't know that. What's the difference?
So chemical sunscreens are usually super lightweight. There's like no color at all, that kind. So a lot of people tend to go for chemical sunscreens, but people with very thin skin, very sensitive skin, we have to go for physical sunscreens or mineral sunscreens.
What's physical sunscreen?
Physical sunscreen is like you have white color particles, and that white color thing is the one that is being the physical barrier to the sun.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Bata Harper is a but I cannot pronounce hyaluronic acid. Okay, hyaluronic
Hyaluronic acid.
Hyaluronic.
Yeah.
What's the L?
Hyaluronic. Yeah. Anyway.
Hyaluronic.
Hyaluronic
Acid is the hyaluronic gel moisturizer.
The packaging feels very weighty.
Smells a bit citrusy.
Weightless daily hydration. Is it weightless?
Yeah, it is very, very weightless.
Okay.
Absorbs really fast.
Tarte actually has a new skincare range, Tarte Skincare.
Yeah,
this one is called Baba Bomb. Super cute.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
I do like it.
So, I love this type of packaging where you kind of like pump it out.
It's very clean.
It's a cream, I would say. It's quite hydrating,
but it's weird
not
plant, like Babasu. That's why it's called Baba Bomb. You look like Babasu.
There's absolutely no smell as well. Like zero smell. Moving towards
got smell
like...
lah, it smells nice.
No leh, you smell my hand?
It smells like a nut.
What do you say?
You asked for it.
Smell like a nut? Anyway, I found another Squalene product.
Squalene Squad!
Baibi. Very cute. It's called a Bakucho. Bakucho.
Bakucho, I love it. The name damn funny, the Bakucho. What do you call a very, very artisanal pakute dish?
Bakucho. This is actually a skin booster. 1%
sunscreen.
Bakucho plus olive squalene. Oh, alternative to retinol. It helps to boost your skincare routine. This one is this brand called Frank Body, a scrub from down under for down under. Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's for your But why would it say it's for the down under? Maybe it's for armpit lah.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, but it says all over body.
Yeah.
Sekali I tell you,
Secretly
like freaking
excited.
get like rashes all over that is
No
not supposed to be for down
lah.
under. Nowhere on it says please use on your vagina.
There's a hydrating body cream.
Oh my
Damn
gosh,
damn cute. And we have a Sand and Sky. It's an Australian pink clay pore refining face mask. The clay is baby pink. It's very, very cute. And I heard it's very good for decongesting your pores. Glam Glow.
Yay!
Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask.
Oh, I love.
Ooh, it's like pink.
I like clay masks more than sheet masks lah.
This is the vitamin C and caffeine.
It's very
from
small.
Pinky Bliss.
Good
So
for
cute.
travel. Do you think this is travel size or the full size?
I think it's full size actually. Dr. Robux Weightless Foaming Cleanser.
Robux.
Replica perfume as well. Replica is now available in Sephora Ion.
The brand is not called Replica.
The brand's not called Replica?
No, it's called this one. Mason
Oh my gosh!
Margiela.
It's called Beach Walk. And I really like how
Oh
they
my
name
God.
their fragrances. I remember there was one called A Lazy Sunday Morning.
That is their best seller.
Yeah, because
it
it's-
really smells very nice.
It just smells like
It's
clean
really
beach
very
sheets.
nice. They have a floral scent as well, and I really like it.
It's a Sephora heating mask. Comforting sauna effect. Oh my gosh, I think it's a mask for your face that will heat up.
Oh, cool. It is a palette. Yay! It's the Tarte Unleashed palette. All the things to receive, I always am the most excited about palettes. You can never have enough palettes, even though I have every single freaking color in the world already. Ooh, it comes with this mini mascara.
Right, there's a
Yeah.
big Eagle mini mascara.
Young, wild, and cruelty-free. So these are all the colors that are inside. The guy told me that this was like safari themed. So all the names are very interesting. It's all about animals. All deer, like
Oh, it's so cute.
like
Toucan do it.
yeah, you can do it. Hypocritical.
Irrelevant.
Yeah, you're totally a monkey business.
Awkward.
No fucks given.
Bare necessities. Oh, that's so
pretty
cute.
cool, pretty cool. I love the
yeah.
names.
Smashbox is called Kelly Kissed. So I think this is a face palette. It's a highlight and blush palette that has 6 colors.
Okay, this is actually more bronzy lah. So it's like sun-kissed kind of vibe. And then the blusher is like got one more blue tone and more peach tone.
Yeah. Wow, super pigmented. It's like an eyeshadow. But once you blend it out, it's actually quite pretty.
Oh, I like that thing.
Nude sticks, so there are 2. Nude sticks are like very easy to use, multi-functional sticks where you can use on your face, your lip and your eye.
So this one is a sweet peach peony nudist bloom, all over dewy color.
And this one is called Tiger Lily Queen.
So I think both are like
There's a brush at the end. One is more nudish and one is more like coral-ish.
coral
It's quite
color.
cute.
Yeah.
There are 2 things from Cover FX. This is a perfect setting powder in translucent.
Looks pretty nice.
And this one is a monochromatic blush duo. One matte and one shimmer.
Okay,
Go.
this is
Oh.
Damn Girl. Wow, very pretty.
Mm.
It looks like a diamond.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
so
Too Faced.
I think they have their signature very big brush.
They call it the infinity brush because it looks like an infinity shape. Here I have a Stila Beauty Boss Lip Gloss. I went to the Stila booth and I tried these. I really love the consistency. The price tag is a lot more affordable.
Why do you like it, the consistency?
Because it's not sticky on the lips.
What do you mean? It will never not be sticky. I don't
Eh.
believe. Let me try.
Come on. It's not. See?
I'm prejudiced towards lip gloss.
She
so
is
like,
convinced,
Yeah,
guys. She's
I,
convinced.
I just hate lip gloss. It's still nyam.
It's not Nyam. Pixie by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lip. Color is called Calient Coral. Everlasting Liquid Lipstick from Kat Von D. It's called Truthless.
Oh, this color is very
Beautiful.
nice. Yeah.
Kat Von D
Yeah, they're
now
launching
do
minis.
Yeah.
Their minis are really cute. I love minis.
I feel like if every brand can come out with minis, that would be the best.
Yes.
Oh,
It's like a more blue tone sort of reddish color.
Very
berry
red.
tone.
Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil.
Yeah. Pretty
It's
on.
very
Wow,
shiny.
super shiny.
Yeah.
It is very shiny. I wouldn't say it's very in your face shiny. It's quite pearlescent in a way.
This is from Jill Stewart. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
It's like
Okay, I know already. This is the month one. This one is
Birth
birth,
gem.
yeah, birth gems. 5 means
guess
it's
so.
male. For every month is different based on your birthstone. So you are supposed to attach this little charm
cute.
to it. It's detachable actually. I guess this is an emerald.
Thank you guys so much for watching. It's the end of the unboxing.
Yay!
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
So if you are not following us yet, remember to follow both of us, MONGABONG and also Xiaxue, and we also have our various YouTube channels. So go ahead and click subscribe or whatever.
Yes.
Okay, see you guys.
See you next time. Bye.